Hello friends, in this video we will learn about how we can clear the value of an registry item property or how we can remove the property itself. Clear-item property command clears the value of item property but doesn't delete the property itself. In example, we can see the use of this command. CLP is an alias for this command. Command has 18 characters but its alias has only 3 characters. We can easily guess the benefit of using alias. Confirm parameter is used to get confirmation prompt before command is executed actually. It helps us to double sure about our action. In example, we can see the use of this parameter. Remove-item property is a command that deletes the property and its value from an item. In example, we can see the use of this command. RP is an alias for remove-item property command. By seeing example, we can easily guess the benefit of using alias, and we may know how use of alias reduce the code write time and code length itself. What if parameter shows what would happen if command runs without running the command actually. In example, we can see the use of this parameter with both these commands. Path parameter is used to specify location where property exists, and also it supports wildcard uses. In example, we can see the use of this parameter with both these commands. Name parameter is used to specify name of property. It supports the use of wildcard, and for specifying multiple properties, we can use comma as well. In example, we can see the use of this parameter with both these commands. Pass-through parameter is used to return output on console as well. By default, this command doesn't return any output on console. In example, we can see the use of this parameter. Now let's recap. Clear-item property clears the value of a property. Remove-item property deletes the property and its value itself. Path, name, pass-through, what if, and confirm are some parameters used with both these commands.